Ebushama ma akwa ba mfa mbra Ghana 70VGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime you post video be tell we usame ke bi. Ebushama for abrante bi wo Accra FM. I say a friend no den kra. A friend no Nana Otu darko. Or a journalist, but also ye NDC communicator because okasama NDC uni sure. Sure or ye declare for to clear NDC. Now wakasembia ye reported our media house no a kind of a penya blog media. And I've come across it and I think say I cannot let it pass. And according to Asema Okaya Friday 17th July from Media House, see, Ghanaians will rather vote for a crab, Koto, as president instead of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Again, see, Ghanaians will rather vote for a crab as president instead of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Look, Nana Otu darko, you are a young man. Afena, Uba. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is above 60 years. And when I look at Nana darko, I can guess, say, you are somebody, you are in your late, maybe 30s, right? Now, you see, I challenge you, before even going to the fact that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is vice president, I challenge you to go and bring your academic records. As at the time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was your age, what was he already doing? He was already lecturing, or a lecturer. As at the time now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Nana Otu no age. He went on to be a worker at the Bank of Ghana. Where money policies, they say a car or minus car, baby, what is going to affect our economy, where those decisions are made, no. And he rose through the ranks to become deputy governor. Nana. All that time, the trajectory you are on, even in our media space, would you ever achieve that? Look, ye catch them will say, we will not sit down for anybody to insult Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia again. We are serious about it. Anybody that will come out to insult yen presidential candidates, we would return it to you in equal measure. Who Accra FM will last stop. Accra FM will last stop. In fact, the kind of thing that you call journalism, you cannot be considered for any international appointment. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia indeed was considered for an international appointment. Now he was working under the World Bank. Right? Who you see, when should we count even 100 journalists? You can say West Africa, you wouldn't count. Because all you people do is to make noise. You can't journalism, do research. Nothing about it. You can't say critique government policies. Nothing you know about it. Then because you have access to a microphone and a camera is on you, you spew gibberish. You spew nonsense. Sorry for my choice of word, viewers. But these guys got to be called to order. Must be called to order. Then I will name what have you achieved? And your politics are what have you achieved for yourself? You want to call you because you say a Ghanaians will vote for a crab than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. How dare you? How dare you? Look, worst case scenario. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Benye president Umpoa. That man is sorted, his family is sorted. Forever. Yeah. Omaimu dontina. Omaimu emu dontina. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to be president, to develop his motherland. Odonenti. Enye sika. And I say, maybe a self-aggrandizing achievement be our here. Debbie. So please, watch your mouth next time. Please, with all due respect, watch your mouth.
Unyanum botere nya botere mo ade de saa wo de nya botere e de a omo nyina no entime enya mama at this time. Oh e de a water region their voice e de a me who videos need there but voice let me change say oh say there and this is stronghold there the videos voice and this is stronghold say omo nyina na call say wo wadwa wo so wadwa oh it be so wadwa but e de and this is stronghold there say na beba it would nya botere mo na voice
do you know something
voice wo dey team mami
you Martin de kasa Martin kasa
o dey voice wo dey Martin o dey me ensem bia ensem akokɔ so na sen no asa mi timi nya ta mo hello
Sakasa ye tonka.
okay I'm with me kan yeah okay all right so voice na say ensem akokɔ so na me wo problem with our leaders voice a normal air cosono say anhwe ya NPP no a normal be fast ye leaders no because of this election nti no it's like say omo fa bibia ho you say no do omo fa bibia election na eyo omo election no kwa ti de koso de ndisi fo ye nyina ye leaders no omo fa ho ana omo jai na tiktokers no kwa na eye adwuma no ana tiktokers no kwa na eye adwuma no and the leaders na jai bibia tiktokers nso kwakasa na ndisi fo tata omo and ndisi fo tata omo press conference common press conference yetimi nye bi eti no ma ekoso voice NPP leaders no me obi antimi nye press conference edi na esi voice edi pa na esi ensema ndc fo ade na twam wie na wo press conference ko na obi an pese obi tv ade ne ba ye to ho a press conference no aye na ya discuss ya na take wave no but ade na esi ade na voice abutika semi ebu
look where they back for shaka me I'm meeting her I am a want to be supporter I'm a good supporter I can tell you I'm highly disappointed so these days we see I'm not even talking about it again because I can't just understand how our leaders are behaving this time
voice and na ekọ kapa na akoba akoda ne nsem bebre no nti na sense me ma se my imagine say me tie kiri a na me tie me dem wase na me tie because oko kapa na so bi say wo attack wo bi voice ebutiri ka se me abe ya you say say US one department bi akọ make statement a big issue
God blanche
a big issue pa my people for voice Sunday way because cameras no say do musi control boys e work Ghana no enye easy ene hwe abochefo na eye videos eka easy ekufo ado ene yesri sa papai say na wotie ena papai sa ne yenim ena den ena di ntese panyi ba kokra ka wansem o me ntese panyi panyi bi kra ka wansem ama Ghana for no scammers no crofo na hu say ekufo ado na protect mu mente you
yes sir ekufo ado na protect you omumpo ekufo ado na was at kind of saying vim to tell America no
yes mente you voice mente se panyi bi kra ka wansem emo in fact doctor de misuma doctor ba me wogidie se Nyankopon ti de nyame aka no we den a because sanity ageni no we den a wo be fa ohaw bebre mu but obi antimi block doctor we na kenya sa de a aka doctor bi de an misum be wan to da bia me to ana me yama doctor this kind of leaders in their voice o ntimi mo MPP we mu oh Debbie. Issues are NDC for issue. Hwesika yedi akodo ekwan say yedi ebe clear ekwan for Kumasi Accra High
$1 billion. $1 billion.
Edi asem na penyi ben abeka ho asem. Penyi ben. It's a year election, any executives be abim. A year election, any national executives. Voice. What do you have my bedroom into them? I mean, my sisters, no cabin. I'm there. Go for I say more voice. Well.
Yo, it can't be mine.
Voice, good evening.
Evening here.
There be now us today. John Mama co commission a year hall, assembly hall, dear one. Or no co commission public toilet. What dear? Share. Ochina wo betwa mo central region akọ commission school toilets. And who for say assembly hall ni lower. He is going to descend lowest. Ochina. He is going to commission school toilets. Meanwhile, wo competitor and our classmate, my main candidate, because why a former president Nana Otu so a former president. Ojina ne nine so voice. In a single day, me and Mikron for because a single day, single one day, say, a commission 80 ultra modern schools. Voice, this is a clear definition of your tone, your color TV. And your project black and white as I told to what we name empty black and white TV, and your tone, your color TV near the quadri. It is also what best young vote and commission assembly one. Forget it, or to know about west or commission school toilets.
But my disappointment is if you meet me in Crawford.
Voice, why are you surprised? And you won't crop when and I know or your friends or could your top black constituency or be woo ya teacher and a tune to women in the chair and so on. And to waste I know more boy. What for said mama and a banner, but they don't care. Voice, I also will be or no, on when him the problem, no, so on solve it. There is nothing you can do to that person. Nippon on when decide to say, the on will go through any problem, mano. What now, what's in China when they say a problem? But on no casa do him so or how. But then they be on number who knows why, but then every mad person believes they are normal. One now, one more damn woo, and I will him say, a nippers in some can so. So you are the one who has left Sir Ekunim. So you are seeing the problem. But woman, they see nothing wrong with what they are doing. Ediane no mo gina so koto aba no kwa ne boa ye den so still almost your money. What's a kwame agbeja so sia ye Wakota 1 billion so de akodo kwa ho. Ye nya hu she
$1 billion.
Ye nya hu she voice. Well, you people know here when fat base were starting ye deda ba kwame agbeja contractor was signing the kwesi ye den nwumere. We make what noise did you to make about? What were you expecting? No, what were you people expecting? As a contract now you sign the question then you what were you expecting?
Yeah, I didn't want to.
Meanwhile, John Mama Mobile at force in Parliament say they will need $2 billion to complete all the agenda 111 hospitals and another DJ. And now minta kando. I am sure to see a friend saying, what for them pem, I be catch this agenda 111 and another muda, you know, or no. Or they come from private people no more developing no more. You shouldn't be surprised. Voice, then you shouldn't be surprised. Anyone somebody else to be nothing should surprise you anymore in this country.
Voice,
at this point, this is what we voted for. Voice, this is when we tell you voting your votes it has consequences. When we're telling you people thought we were joking. Nana Otu stood in one single day, commissioned 5 ultramodern hospitals. His classmate is going to commission school toilets.
School
toilets. And what commission? Amen. No, Yasanta Musika, ya ko develop a flyer. Ya ko flyer sand ya too so. Oh man, ferre. Asa ko ye we flyer. Voice, please, me say, if there is anything, Bibi will low a chair. That is how bad Ghana has sunk. We have sunk to the lowest point. So me, I am not surprised when it comes to this government. Anything that they do, it doesn't come as a surprise to me anymore. Nothing will surprise me. Under this government, nothing surprises me. As for minority, if one children no more penny there, forget it, no munya. Because the parliament yet the majority leader catch or say, me decide say Bank of Ghana governor, but I don't want cameras there. But me say the beautiful aspect of all this thing that they are doing, say we have social media. We are keeping records. The first time they came, we didn't have this. This time around, we have it. And when the other side of the cassette is being played, they cannot talk. Because we will have evidence to back any foolish things we also do to them. And you do me, I do you. Man, no go verse.
Yeah.
And you not your mo, you know, or the be your mo, obedient to me, Mama Mekasa. And I am glad that the CSOs, the Christian councils, the whatever, they are all quiet. I'm glad they are all observing table manners because they are eating. I'm glad now all of a sudden we do not have journalists in this country anymore. I like it. Because when the table turn and somebody decides, say, see, I was finding a conscience into Obekasa, they should go and ask Ejakwabena how he felt for 1 full week. Yet they are not Ejakwabena for 1 solid week.
Yeah.
Na papa ni ye. So we are going to make sure that the way they are observing table manners, because journalists for BC talkers intino or kasa wunyaka into we are enjoying it. They should all keep quiet. Nasa woman na sa kwasi asemi no mudi when Nana was president in India. Ye catch almost said the new MPP government they will not be able to talk. They can't talk. They will not be given the opportunity because ye nyina to chrome her and ye harass TikTokers and a very beautiful precedence has been set and ye criminalizing free speech.
Yeah.
We've gone back to PNDC era again.
Yeah.
And NDC is busy pushing for tribunals. We like it. They should bring it. After all, almost any of them ran by ye. PNDC law no woman a share and so sa woman law no more share. Etimia jeli woman kwani pa 17. 17 NDC appointees has been jailed by the MPP. NDC is yet to jail 1 single person from MPP. So we like everything. And no almost share go no yepe. Because as a major think what to make us walk on gold. Aquaboka over $200 million oba will bet them. And to me pay the question the obi obeka say and me personally I like it. And it is so sad and disheartening as a Camilla and a yedina settle a friends yedina a scapegoat for all this. But it's a beautiful precedence. And then the former attorney general has stepped into Camilla case. No, he's the new lawyer for Camilla, so they are going for your friends and appeal. We know said the former attorney general all appeal. NDC for one side ebejene.